Hello again. So, first half of the 1800s, they came up with the phrase, turning of the tide. You know, the tide goes in, the tide goes out. Turning of the tide means that things are changing. It's a reversal of fortune. Either you had a lot of good luck and now it's going to go bad, or you had a lot of bad luck, but now it's going to turn to some good luck. So that's your tide idiom for today. Hope your tide turns in a good way.
Hello.
Hello.
你好。
Now, that boat's too big, right? Is it?
I think so.
Yeah.
泰山老师，
Hello, 老师。
你高兴吗？
Oh, 很高兴。
Yeah. Why we're here?
We're here to go look at tide pools with your niece.
Okay, it's a certain time to see tide pool.
Apparently, twice a day when the tide is low, that's the good time to go.
Okay, let's find it out.
Okay.
But right now it's low tide.
Yes.
Yeah, low tide. So if you just patient, you can walk around to find some like maybe baby crabs, some mussels or something, right? I don't know.
Something.
Okay.
But
so,
don't eat it.
Yeah.
They don't want you to eat these.
No, you can't take anything from it.
Shame.
Yeah. You know what I found?
A little like chili or something?
Yeah. What are those? The baby mussels?
I'm gonna say like, I don't know.
Oh, that's just so amazing.
They're waiting for
Beautiful. Yeah. What's Hannah?
She's a whale.
Whoa. Cool. It's still beautiful, except it could be cold. 在落潮的时候，就可以看到这些小的海生动物。嗨，在生老师。
你好，老师。
Yeah, it's
Beautiful
windy,
day.
huh? Hello. Yeah, it's like the bright clouds above me.
It's looking ominous.
So the storm is coming, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
The storm's been here and it's coming back.
my sister, niece,
Your daughter.
friend. Oh yeah, our daughter.
Yeah.
Forgot our daughter. Okay. So after this we're gonna drive to our house and to celebrate New Year. And my niece and her boyfriend will go back to the east.
Maybe you'll get videos of lava cake.
Oh yeah, please. So you and Hannah gonna make a chocolate lava cake.
Dates and lava cake.
Oh, cool.
That's your niece is gonna make the dates.
Yeah. So thank you guys for supporting.
Thank you.